Finn MacCool and the Giant's Causeway. The Giant's Causeway is a bridge of rocks between Ireland and Scotland. Most of the Giant's Causeway is under the sea. So, how did it get its name? Well, according to an Irish legend, a powerful giant called Finn MacCool built the causeway. Once there were two giants. Finn MacCool lived with his wife in Ireland. Benandonner lived across the sea in Scotland. They were enemies. However, they couldn't cross the sea to fight each other. One day, Finn had an idea. He threw rocks into the sea and made a bridge. After this, he was very tired, so he went to sleep. Over the sea, in Scotland, Benandonner started running across the bridge. Finn's wife tried to wake her husband, but she couldn't. She decided to dress him in baby's clothes. When Benandonner arrived, he saw the sleeping baby. Then he imagined the huge size of the father and was terrified. He ran back home over the causeway. As he ran, he pulled up the rocks to stop Finn following him to Scotland. Scientists don't believe the Giant's Causeway is the result of a story like this. They believe a volcanic eruption created the causeway over 50 million years ago. The boiling lava pushed up through the ground and cooled into the shapes we see today.